is the second largest city in Croatia. Its history dates back to the 3rd and 4th centuries, when it was founded as a Greek settlement. The city began to develop in 295 AD, when the Roman Emperor Diocletian ordered a residence to be built for his retirement. It took 10 years to build a palace, and Diocletian lived there until his death in 313 AD. During the 11th century, the city grew considerably in the areas surrounding the palace. In 1420, the city was conquered by the Venetians, who ruled until 1797. Split was then ruled by the French, Austrian, and Austro-Hungarian empires respectively. After the dissolution of the Austro-Hungarian Empire in 1918, the city became part of the kingdom of Serbs, Croats, and Slovenes, which later became known as the Kingdom of Yugoslavia. During the Second World War, the city was occupied by Fascist Italy, followed by Nazi Germany, before being freed by the People's Liberation Army in 1944. At the end of the Second World War, Split became part of the Socialist Federal Republic of Yugoslavia. During this period, the city expanded once more as migrants moved from rural areas to find work in the growing industries, such as shipbuilding. When Croatia declared its independence from the rest of Yugoslavia in 1991, the country experienced another period of war. This was followed by an economic recession. In the early stages of the war, Split was bombarded. However, when compared to other cities in the region, Split suffered fewer casualties and limited structural damage. In spite of these challenges, since the turn of the century, Split has rejuvenated once again. In 2013, Croatia joined the European Union, and Split has become a popular tourist destination, attracting visitors from all over the world. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.